بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, I say to your Spanish followers, hola, and thank you for having me. Spain has a place in my heart, but that was a very, very long time ago when I used to go to Palma de Mallorca and the likes, but that was in a different life. How do we know that Islam is the truth? Is by comparing it to other religions. So how do I know that this specific doctor is a legitimate doctor? How do I know that this specific science is a real science and not something to do with tribal medicine and the likes? By comparing it to others. So we have what we call the acid test. We look at different religions and the outcome of it, what they present, their sustainability throughout the years, and then we compare that to Islam. When we look at the wow factor, and this is an aspect used in public relations, when you want to advertise something, when you want to highlight something, you use the wow factor. What are the things that people would say wow when they listen to? Number one, the only religion on earth that the scripture, the book, their holy book, is the same as it was revealed 15 centuries ago. No scripture on earth is preserved at all, and this is a challenge, like the Qur'an was preserved. How is it preserved? 15 centuries, not a single letter is changed. It was revealed in Arabic, and Arabic is spoken today by not less than 400 million individuals. So they read it and understand it directly without translations. It is memorized letter by letter by not less than 10 million living human beings, which means that if we come to all copies of the Quran and burn it to the ground, tomorrow morning, it will be rewritten again, letter for letter, dot for dot, because it's preserved in the chest of men. The miracles of the Quran are endless. Allah has challenged the men, the human beings and the jinn to produce 10 chapters of it. Then Allah challenged them to try and reproduce one chapter. Until date, the challenge is existing and nobody has passed that challenge. If you look at the fastest growing religion on earth, the answer will be Islam. It's been widely spreading for 15 centuries, never to back off or decline. And all other religions are declining. Look at the number of masjids. Look at the number of people reverting to Islam. People say Islam subjugates women. The vast majority of the people accepting Islam are women. So why would they accept it? If you look at the social system, no other religion gives such a system other than Islam. Economical system, political system, everything that governs the relationship between you and God, between you and other humans. Not only that, between you and between animals, between you and between abstract things. Islam gives you the solution for it all. So in a nutshell, if you compare apple to apple, you would not find any other religion even coming close to Islam.